my channel. So today I'm making a video on hair care. A lot of you all have asked me what my hair care routine is like and have hashtagged it as hair goals, and here I wanted to share with you the product that I've been using since a few weeks now, and that's how I have been maintaining my hair, and my hair has that shine and it looks healthy. So I was sent products from Mamaearth, and this is the one that I've been using. This is the onion hair mask. So this has onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar, which is for hair fall, and they have other products too. So this is the one I've been using since the past 2 weeks now, and I can see visible difference in my hair texture, in the way my hair is and feels like. So now all of us are very busy with our life, in the way we function. We have no time for nothing, and we don't have too much time to go to the salons and stuff like that. So this is something that you can do at home, and you can get like really good looking hair and healthy hair at your home. So it's written here, part your hair in 2 halves. Take a palmful of hair mask and apply adequate quantity to wet hair and scalp. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off with sulfate-free shampoo. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this exactly. Before I begin with anything, I just wanted you to know what are the benefits of onion oil and the actual ingredients out here, which is onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. So onion oil is basically for strengthening your hair. It has a lot of sulfur, which it also regulates the blood circulation in your scalp. It promotes hair growth. So in the crown area here, the blood circulation is at its max when you apply onion oil or cinnamon oil and stuff like that, and it helps in regrowth of hair, in healthier hair, you can grow your hair faster because of that, and it also strengthens your hair from within. Now it also has properties like it doesn't promote any kind of bacterial infections. It also prevents premature graying and also dandruff. So all of these benefits in just one product. And also bamboo vinegar, it strengthens your hair. It gives your hair a healthy shine because it shuts all the shafts, the hair shafts, and you have healthy shining, mirror shine hair. Products out here from Mamaearth, firstly, are chemical free. They are completely natural, and they are paraben and silicone free. They are hypoallergenic and also have bioactives. Now this company out here, they are plastic positive, and they recycle more plastic than they even use. So that is something that I really like about this brand. And for those who are interested in buying these products, you can get these products on mamaearth.in. You can get it on Amazon and Nykaa. Now you can use a special code, which is LK20, to get a flat 20% off on these products that you buy from mamaearth.in. So I wanted to film this video right after my shower, so now my hair is I think 80% dry, and I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. So I'm going to show you the final results of how my hair looks like. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you guys will follow it and use this to have a healthier hair, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.